Okay, pretty decent rain now. This is MTK the Toctopus. A little later in the action here. Am I rolling? Oh yeah, I am. Sorry, I started the engine again. But now it's starting to come down a little bit. This is decent rain. This is decent rain. Yeah, this is decent rain. I would call them medium-sized drops. And this is cool. I approve of this. This has gone from a smattering to what I would call a decent rain. And on August 2nd, it's actually very welcomed. I'm pleased about this, folks. I'm not going anyplace. I'm just gonna sit here, watch it fall, and I will report back to you, because this is MTK the Toctopus. Oh, that's cool. We could do the chit-chat about MTK the Toctopus. Follow, subscribe, come on. Look at me, I'm a good guy. Look at me, I'm a fella. I'm gonna help you out there. Shamalamba wubba lubba lub dub. I like Rick and Morty. I like Game of Thrones. I like nature. I like weather. I like music. I like culture. So, I'm MTK the Toctopus. Gonna talk about all kinds of things. You know, sports. School, I'll talk about sports here and there. It's probably pretty dark, so I'm gonna kill it. And we're at 2:21, so that's even better. Look at that, it's coming down, baby. That's some rain right there. That is much needed rain.